cloud 9, on cloud 9, or on cloud 7. This is an idiom. It means feeling extremely happy, feeling on the top of the world. That is very excited. If you are really extremely cheerful, you can even say over the moon or seventh heaven. All of them are equal, feeling extremely excited or happy. So let us see it in the examples. First one, when results were announced, Naresh was on cloud 9 for several weeks. Naresh was very happy, extremely happy for several weeks because of the good results. So he was on cloud 9. Second one, the entire team was on cloud 9 after winning the championship. Of course. So the entire team was very happy, cheerful because they won the championship. That's the reason team was on cloud 9. Third one, what a pleasure of winning. It makes feel like floating on cloud 9 or cloud 7. So it makes me to feel very happy, over the moon. That's the reason feeling like floating on cloud 7 or cloud 9. Fourth, she's been on cloud 9 since she heard the news of her engagement. She never thought she would get engaged, but finally engaged, so she is very excited, happy. That's the reason she's been on cloud 9. Fifth one, the grandmother was on cloud 9 to see her grandson after a long time. Grandson might be staying in America and he came, and grandmother is very, very cheerful, happy, excited. That's the reason grandmother was on cloud 9. See, when we look at the origin of this idiom, cloud 9 or cloud 7 or over the moon or seventh heaven, all of them are same. So cloud 9. So actually no one is really sure where the expression comes from. Some believe that the original expression was on cloud 7. Very similar the expression seventh heaven also. Others believe that a 9 was chosen because it is considered a mystical number. According to weathermen, cloud 9 refers to the cumulonimbus or the thunderstorm cloud. This cloud often rises to 40,000 feet. And when you are on such a cloud, you are literally on the top of the world, right? The expression was made popular in the 1950s by the radio series titled Johnny Dollar. In the series, the hero is often knocked unconscious. When he is in this state, he is transported to cloud 9, from where he continues to talk to his listeners. So this is the story behind on cloud 9. Whatever may be the reason, on cloud 9, on cloud 7, over the moon, seventh heaven, all of them give equal meaning, same meaning, that is feeling very excited or extremely happy.